Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how people are making thousands of dollars using AI, then this video is just for you. Today, I'm sharing 5 powerful and proven ways to make money online with AI in 2026. And the best part? You can start from home, even if you have zero experience. So stay tuned till the end, because number 5 is something that's exploding right now. The first way to make money online with AI is through AI content creation. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai can help you write blogs, YouTube scripts, product descriptions, and social media posts within minutes. Companies and content creators are paying big money for high-quality written content, and you can deliver it fast using AI. Just sign up on Fiverr or Upwork, offer AI-powered content writing, and start building your income stream. Pro tip: combine ChatGPT for writing and Grammarly for editing to deliver professional results that clients love. Number 2, AI video creation. In 2026, video content is king, but not everyone knows how to make it. With tools like Pictory, Synthesia, or HeyGen, you can create YouTube videos, ads, and explainers without showing your face. AI generates the voice, visuals, and animations for you. Many creators are using these tools to build cash cow YouTube channels and earn passive income through ad revenue. Bonus idea: offer AI video editing services on Fiverr. People will pay you for quick, professional-looking videos made with AI tools. Number 3 is AI art and design. AI tools like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, and DALL-E can generate amazing artwork, t-shirt designs, logos, and digital prints. You can sell these on Etsy, Redbubble, or your own Shopify store. Design once and earn again and again as people buy your digital products. Pro tip: focus on trending niches like motivational quotes, gaming art, or futuristic AI-themed posters. Number 4. AI automation and chatbots. Businesses want to save time and money, and you can help them by setting up AI chatbots using ChatGPT or ManyChat. These bots can handle customer service, sales messages, or website support, and you get paid for setting them up. Even small local businesses are looking for AI experts who can automate their work. Pro tip: learn basic prompt engineering, and you can easily charge $200 to $1,000 per project. And number 5, AI voice and audio creation. With tools like 11 Labs or Play.ht, you can clone realistic voices and create podcasts, audiobooks, or commercial voiceovers using AI. People are making money selling AI-generated voiceovers for YouTube videos, TikToks, and ads. If you can combine AI voice with video tools, you can run a whole content business from home. And there you have it, the 5 best ways to make money online with AI in 2026. AI isn't replacing us. It's empowering us to work smarter and earn faster. So pick one idea from this video, start small, and stay consistent. Your first $100 online could just be one AI tool away. Comment below which AI method you want me to explain in detail next. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart income ideas every week.